Hey peeps, in this video I'll show you how to add an image from the internet to your HTML code so that you can set it as the background and also add that image to your site, and also how to make this image as a link. That is, when you click on the image you get redirected to another page. For example, I click on this Insta button, I get redirected to my Insta profile. Similarly, when I click on YouTube button, I get redirected to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. This is Shashank HP and let's get started. This is my HTML code and this is my CSS. I've just done some basic alignments and styling stuff. Okay, the page looks like this. It doesn't have a background or it has my picture, and also these are not links anymore, they're just a normal picture. As you can see, I click on them and there's no link which redirects to another page. Now first off, let's add a background to this. Choose any background you want from the internet. Choose some basic plain wallpaper or background, whatever you want. Okay, I don't find anything interesting. Okay, this guy is interesting. Okay, let's choose another one. Okay, this, click on it. Okay, here we go. Once you have this, right click on the image and then choose open image in new tab. Once you click on that, the image opens in a new tab with a higher resolution and also most probably its original resolution. So once you have this image, in the address box, copy the contents as it is without making any changes. And once you have it copied, come back to your code, the CSS body tag, add the background property as it is a URL from the internet. We press URL and then within double quotes paste the contents and put semicolon. Save this, come back to your page and refresh it. There you go, you got the background way it should be. This is our original image, but here we see it in such a way as if it's tiled next to each other. So this happens due to the resolution of the image from the internet. To solve this issue, go back to your CSS and add another property, that is background size of size of cover. This will cover the whole page. There you go, it's covered the whole page. This is the original one. This is how it looks in the background. This is one of my all-time favorite backgrounds and I want to set this to my background too. So as I did before, go back to the address bar, copy it, come back to your code. In the place of URL, just replace it, then save the file, go back and refresh it. There you go. But it's not exactly the same. I mean, it's so clear and crispier, but here it's kind of blurred. This is because I had set the property of background to cover, which means it's covering the whole page, trying to cover the whole page. But there's something special with this image. Let me show you that. I'll just remove this property, save the file, go back and refresh it. There you go. Now what did I just do? I just removed the property cover for the background. Before applying that cover property, the image used to get tiled up. But now the image has been tiled up, but we don't find the difference between one to another, nor can we find the partition. This is because this is an designer image, which means when it is tiled, you don't find the difference between one tile to another. It's kind of like a continuous flow. That's one of the unique features of such designer images, and I recommend you to use such designer images, and it gives a very good feel to have it. The background is sorted. Now let's add an image to the site. Again, choose any random image you want from the internet. I'll choose my pick. Okay, here I am. As we did before, select the image, then right click on the image, open image in new tab. We have it. Go to the address bar, copy the content, come back to your HTML file. Now in HTML, the first div, I just have my name. That is my name. I don't have any image or anything. Here I'm gonna add a new element. I'll add the image tag, img source, the double quotes, paste the URL you copied from the address bar. There it is. Save the file, come back and refresh it. There you go. You have the image. Now I've done some styling to the image so it appears circular and the shadow and stuff to get a similar kind of effect. The CSS tag for image, you have to set the border radius to 50% and choose the height according to your wish, and then by adding the box shadow you get the shadow effect to your image. That's how you add an image from the internet to your site. That's pretty easy, right? Let's move on to our last segment, that is how to make an image as a link. That is, when you click on an image you get redirected to another page on the internet. It's a small trick. Now here is the list of images I have here. That is Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube images. This is the another list. Now for each list add a href tag, and then close this a tag. Okay, now between the double quotes you need to paste the URL of the page you need to redirect to. That is, now when I click on Instagram icon I need to get redirected to my Insta profile. So I have copied the address link. Oh, I said, yeah, I have copied the address link here. This is the link to my Instagram account. So I'll copy this, come back here and paste it between these double quotes and save this file. Now I'll refresh it. Now when I move Instagram icon I get this kind of indication indicating me that it's a link, and when I click on that I get redirected to my Insta profile. Come back. Now similarly when you do it for the rest too, where is it? This is the LinkedIn image. Again open the a tag and href, double quotes, close it, and then I have my LinkedIn profile URL here. I'll copy this, come back and paste it between the double quotes, save it, come back here and click on LinkedIn. Refresh it, click on LinkedIn, and there you go. I'll be directed to my profile in LinkedIn. Here is my account. So that's how you add a link or image so that you get redirected to any particular page you want according to your wish. Similarly, I'll do it for the rest of these icons. Now I have done the same to all the images. Now as you can see, I click on Instagram, I get redirected to my Insta profile, and then next I choose LinkedIn. There you go, I get redirected to my LinkedIn page, I mean my account. Takes time. Then click on YouTube, I get redirected to my YouTube channel, and then the similar happens when I click on Facebook and Quora. Click on Facebook, I get my account, and Quora my account. This is my profile, and then in Quora again it's my profile. So that's how you add a link to the image. That's how you add the background image or a normal image and then image as a link to your HTML site. Thank you for watching. please like and subscribe.